Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this tutorial we will learn about how to use the LED bar graphs within the Circuit Wizard simulator. So for it, first of all you need to click on File, then New. Here you can see two options. So you need to click on Electronics Project. Press OK and you will get all the components inside your gallery on the right hand side. Now click on Gallery and go for LED bar graph. So you can see here LED display. So we will click on it and bar graph display. So this is our bar graph display. Now what we need to do is to connect these bar graphs with the battery. One side of these bar graphs with the battery and the other side with the ground. One more ground for the negative terminal of the battery. So this is the way. Okay, now we need to connect all the pins of our bar graph, LED bar graph with each other. Like this and this one. Okay, now we need to go for switches. We can take our switches like push buttons or like any other switch if you want. So here we are just taking our switch push button. So Control C and Control V. So here Control V and here Control V and here Control V and here Control V. Also one more. Okay, so connect it like this and this, this, this one. Okay, sorry, we have to move it a little bit like this. Oh, sorry. And this one, and then okay, like this. Okay, so we can move them a little bit like here. Also the battery here, this one, this one, this one, this one, here like this. Okay, and two more switches. This, 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 and this. So it is 5 volt. Okay, now we will press switches one by one. Now you can see that every switch corresponds to a specific value. So in this way we can control all the bar graph LEDs with these switches. So you can integrate them with counter ICs or any flip-flop or any other controlling component. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the bar graph LEDs with the push buttons and switches. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.